Hi guys, so we're going to be doing something a little bit different with our fact sheet today. This is new material, so I will not be timesing you with 3 minutes to finish in pencil and then 1 minute in green. We're actually going to talk about times 5 today. Now I know a lot of you remember times 5s, as you'll see right here on my clock. When we figure out how many minutes is on the clock, we count by, what is it? 5s. So counting by 5s is the same thing as times 5. It just means how many groups of 5. So if I look at my clock here, don't mind my minute hand, it wasn't long enough. When I count by 5s, 1 is 5, 2 is 10, 3 is 15, then so on for 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And that's going to be the same thing with our times 10 or times 5. So we're just going to be counting by 5. So let's go ahead and get started. So our 5 times 0, we already learned any number times 0 is always 0. That's right. Good job. Then we have 5 times 1. We already learned that any number times 1 stays the same, right? Because if I have one group of 5, how many do I have? 5. So we're going to put a 5 there. All right, next, 5 times 2. I have 2 groups of 5. Boom. How much is that? 10. That's right. So 5 times 2 is 10, and I can use my little clock to help me. What is my 2 worth in my minutes? 10 minutes, right? All right, then we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to count by 5 3 times. 5, 10, 15. Then I'm going to do it again. 5 times 4. I have 4 groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now, do you guys see a pattern with our times 5s? We talked about this before when we were adding nickels. But look, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. So let's see, what do you think is going to be here? Yeah, it's going to end in a 5. Good job. So 5 times 5. Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now, I'm going to have you do 6 by yourself real quick, and then we're going to see if you're correct. Try 5 times 6 by yourself. Good job, yeah. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. All right, now I'm going to go up to 7. So 5 times 7, I have 7 groups of 5. So let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And I can use my clock to help me. Let's look at our 7. Oh, yep, 35 minutes. All right, 5 times 8. Let's count 8 groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And then let's keep going. 5 times 9. Use my clock. What's 5 times 9? 45. All right. Then now we have done all of the times 5s. Now what I want you guys to do and finish for yourself is go ahead and finish these next 3 rows for yourself. You can use this as a guide, or if you drew a clock, go ahead and use your clock. But use those fingers, okay? Go ahead and use them now. We'll get off our fingers eventually, but use those fingers to help you count by 5, okay? Remember, counting by 5 this many times. So 5 times 6, let's look, 30. All right, go ahead and finish the rest of this worksheet yourself, guys. Good job.